How to fix broken icons and shortcuts in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix broken icons and shortcuts in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you'll need to open up your run. To open up your run, simply press Windows plus R key and the run should open up. After you open up your run, simply give %sign and type in local data and then give another %sign. After you do that, you will have typed in local app data inside to %. Now tap on OK. This will open up your run. So after you've opened up your folder, that is your app's local data, what you'll need to do is here you'll need to tap on the three dots. Then here head over to options. After you head over to options, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to view. There, tap on show hidden files and folders, tap on apply, and then tap on OK. After you do that, here you can simply scroll down until you find icon cache. Now simply delete this file, and after you delete the file, you are good to go. Now you can restart your device once and then your problem will get fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.